he's my hero. He's why I'm here, and he has given me rebirth, I can say. You know, his motivation has been so high in my life. I look up to him, and because we don't have a brother, you know, we are three sisters, and both my sisters ended up becoming army officers. So that's what my father is. He raised up his daughter as proper like boys, and I'm an actor. Both my sisters were army officers. So kudos to Dad for being so supportive and loving.
Unfortunately, my dad is no more. He passed away 3 years back. But my bond with him has been exceptional, was exceptional, and will always be exceptional because he resides in my heart right now.
I'm a daddy's girl, and to explain this in words is very difficult. Of course, I owe my life to him. I can't thank him enough for all that he's given me, he along with my mother. The upbringing, the opportunities, the sense of equality in the house. I think it came with every opportunity that was offered to me in my house. Every word of encouragement. That man standing behind me every time I turn, and he was always there, and he's always there.
Yeah, it's a nice bond. बहुत जो दोस्ताना एक बॉन्ड होना चाहिए वैसा तो नहीं है, बिकॉज एक डिफरेंट जनरेशन थी. What I'm trying to build with my son, that my children, much more friendlier. So, but yeah, Dad is great. I am here because of him. खिला पिला के बड़ा किया, पढ़ाया लिखाया, यहाँ इंडस्ट्री में आने में भी पूरा सपोर्ट किया. So yeah, hats off. And every day is Father's Day, man.
पता नहीं, मैं पिछले कई सालों से सुहानी की वजह से पापा से मिली तो हूँ कई बार, लेकिन जो मेरे और पापा के बीच बैठ के घंटों बातें होती थी वो नहीं हो पाई हैं. तो आई थिंक मैं सोच रही हूँ कि इस बार मैं सरप्राइज़ देती हूँ पापा को. घर जाऊँगी और बस उनके लिए, तो मेरे और उनके दोनों के लिए बेस्ट फादर्स डे होगा.
My bond with my father is when I was a child, it was very much like father and son. Mummy was like the friend and Papa was Papa. Like when he used to come home, सब चुप हो जाते थे. जैसे DDLJ में शुरू में था कि वो सब डांस कर रहे हैं और एकदम जैसे पापा म्यूजिक बंद करके सब बुक्स खोल के बैठ गए. That was kind of how we were at home. But since college, after college, it's become more of a friend now. He's like a friend, and if I need advice, if I need to talk about something, I think I'm just now realizing how much he's seen in life and how much he's gone through, और कितना सिखा सकते हैं वो मुझे. So that is like it's a very nice feeling that he's become like a friend, and yeah, I mean obviously I always loved him, but it's like from a Papa from a distance. Now he's like a really good friend who I can ask for advice and stuff.
My bond with my father was very nice. He's no more with me, but now I have my father-in-law. He's as good as a father. So, and I'm very happy that, you know, there is no such cliched in-law relationship with him. He is my dad. He's seriously my dad, and we share that bond. So he loves to eat, and every time I try to make something nice for him so that he can enjoy that food.
He's no more right now, but I love him a lot, and I can't even tell anybody, and I can't even express myself how much I love him. I just want to say him, and I know he must be listening to me. He must be. I love you, Dad, and you are my hero. And see, I have a tattoo called Dad, my hero, since I was born. It's not just written. I actually mean it, and thank you so much for giving me birth. And because of you, I am having such an amazing life that I can't even imagine.
My bond with my father is absolutely like a father-daughter bond, and my father always said that I am a rich daughter of a poor father. So, and that really applies. Even if my dad had nothing, I have had everything in this world. And so whatever I am today is because of my dad, because of all the hard work that he did, and never made me feel that I do not have so many things because they could not afford, because they afforded everything without maybe affording so many things for their own selves. So I love you, Dad, always.
I've bonded with my father a lot in last 4 years, since the time he's retired. Otherwise, a typical father and son relation, two men in the house, ego clash, और वो सब था. But abhi to I've become like buddies, and we are more like friends. So my mom and dad, they were in Bombay all this while, and now they've shifted back. They've gone to Chandigarh, and I really miss them. And I couldn't go to Chandigarh on Mother's Day because I was shooting in Rajasthan. But I would really try this time that I'll go at least make it and and meet them on Father's Day.
I think his patience, and he always used to smile, so you'll always see me smiling.
I think I'm tall. He's tall too, and I don't say no very easily. Like if I'm given a challenge, I like to at least accept it. I might fail in it, but my dad is like that. Like he will never say no first. He'll always say a yes. So yeah, I've learned that from dad. I'm a brave girl.
Thankfully, I have his good traits, and yes, I also have a few of his not so good traits. He has a temper, and so do I. So together we are quite a volcano erupting.
Lecture. Topic छेड़ दो, फिर मैं जो lecture देना शुरू कर दूँ. And stubbornness, maybe yeah.
सोचना पड़ रहा है मुझे, बिल्कुल अलग है हम.
Probably I would like to say patience.
I think everyone tells me that I look like him, and he was a very positive guy, and he always motivates everyone. So I think that quality I have in me to motivate everyone and be positive all the time and help everyone. That's it.
The calculative nature, the share market knowing, understanding, mutual fund understanding, putting stakes and all those stuff. I think that has come from my father, because there's so many people जो share market और mutual fund के नाम से घबरा जाते हैं, और मैं अपने जब दोस्तों को बोलती हूँ क्यों तुम लोग invest नहीं करते, बोलते नहीं बाबा समझ में नहीं आता है. तो I think that is because of my dad.
He's something else. My mom and I, मॉम तो खैर टॉन्टी मारती रहती कि अपने बाप का पापा के 10% भी हो जाएगा तो तेरी ज़िंदगी सवर जाएगी. बट आई थिंक आई डोंट इवन 1% ऑफ व्हाट ही इज. आई विश आई वाज लाइक हिम, बट